The Hazel Carousel widget brings out the charms of your post wall with an teaching front view and a detailed hover effect. The simple design with image, tag, and title keeps the reader on the page. The layout section gives you plenty of options for setting up the layout of the content. You'll see options like columns, item gap, content style and position, etc. There are 3 unique layout styles for this widget. On query, you can select the source of the display items from posts. There are options for choosing specific category, tag, or format also. The additional section has a bunch of switchers. Turning them on or off will show or hide titles, categories, authors from the posts. The carousel settings section mostly consists options for customizing the carousel animation. You can change the layout between carousel and cover flow. Both has a different style of displaying the content. The category section is for customizing the category that is placed on top of the title. Let's change both the text and background color and add some padding on it. Now for the navigations. You will see color and size options for the dot navigations as well as offset adjustments. That's it, your blog post is now ready to be published. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.